Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Cricket is where we start, as the West Indies have gone down 1-0 in their three-match T20 series against India after losing by 6 wickets in their opening match in Hyderabad today.
Having won the toss, Virat Kohli chose to insert the West Indians and had early success, having dismissed opener Lendl Simmons for just 2 with the score on 13. But Evan Lewis was joined by Jamaican Brandon King, and the two put on 51 for the second wicket, with Lewis being the main aggressor. Lewis then went for a 17-ball 40 LBW to Washington Sundar with the score on 64. King then found another worthy ally in Shimron Hetmar, who played his best ever T20 innings, notching 56 of 41 deliveries. Hetmar smashed 2 fours and hit 4 lofty sixes to take the score to 101 before losing King for 31. But Hetmar continued on, and when Captain Pollard joined him, no boundary was safe. Pollard launched 4 sixes and a 4 in his quick-fire 37 of 19 balls. And even Jason Holder made a cameo appearance, scoring a 9-ball knock-off 24 to propel the Caribbean men to 207 for 5. Yuzvendra Chahal took 2 for 36 for the Indians. What looked like a good score for the Windies started to look even better when they dismissed Indian danger man Rohit Sharma for just 8 with the score on 30 for 1. But that joy quickly turned to despair when Captain Kohli joined KL Rahul at the crease. The two then matched each other with eye-catching stroke after stroke in a classy 100-run partnership. Rahul hit 5 fours and 4 sixes in his 62 of 40 deliveries before falling to Kari pair with the score on 130. Rishabh Pant's time was short, but in his usual entertaining style, he hit 2 sixes in his 9-ball 18, and Shreyas Iyer was the only other wicket to fall on a tough day for bowlers. Captain Kohli was in no mood to give his wicket away as he piloted the home team to their target with 8 deliveries to spare.
208 on any day, we turn up here today, take that, 10 out of 10 times. So again, if we be honest with ourselves and we look back as to, where we'd have lost this game, it would have been in the extras column. We had 23 extras and about 14 or 15 wides. That's almost 2.5 overs of extra deliveries and extra runs. So that's one of the aspects. And again, it's about execution. At the end of the day, it's a good batting wicket, but if we had executed plans that we actually spoke about, it would have been a different scenario.
The series continues on Sunday with the second T20 International in Trivandrum bowling off at 8:30 a.m. Jamaica time. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.